Okay, we're at the last remaining hot and now hamburger place on earth. And we got fries. And we have pickle chips. There you go. We both got a cheeseburger? Or did you
I got a Trojan burger. I'm hung up
the
with
letter
them.
T? Alright. And I just got a cheeseburger. Let's see, what is this looking like? It looks like a tiny ass cheeseburger. Yeah. That looks pretty underwhelming. Alright. Alright, check out this retro facade thing going on here. So these were popular in Michigan in like the 80s and 90s, and they're all gone except this one. And I'm in Sturgis, Michigan, and I had to make it a point to stop here for the retro experience of it all. It's a disproportionately tall building. Anyway, I have a feeling the food is going to be very underwhelming. We paid 14 bucks for 2 shitty looking burgers. But yeah, the last hot and now on earth. I don't know how they're in business. I mean, this place is busy, to be fair. This is drive-through only. I seem to recall them having a dine-in option. I could be remembering that completely wrong. But these are long gone. And I don't know, I just thought it'd be a fun kind of an experience, because I will probably never go out of my way to have hot and now burgers again.